All right, well, I got it out, and I think I found what the problem is. So, what I'm going to do, what I did to find this problem was to turn the crank just to the point where it's past bottom dead center, and just pushing down on a piston. And it's this last one. And hopefully you can hear that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to come up nice and close. And let's see if I can't focus in on this. Matter of fact, let me drop this a bit. There we go. All right. Hopefully that's close enough for you to be able to hear this. At any rate, listen up. That bad. That's not good. And here's the other ones, right? There's next to the last. That's number 7, right? And see, that's nice and solid. Yeah, number 8. Let's bring this around one more time and I'll repeat this. Okay, just starting to push up again. All right, okay. The skirt is still showing. I don't know if you can see that from there, but the skirt's still showing on number 8, but that's the idea. And if I do it again, see, now it's in there. But yeah, it shifts. So definitely we got a problem. So at any rate, that's it.